In this video, I'm going to take you through every step necessary to be able to get to the point where you're able to follow along with the Elementor Trace videos that I've made so that you can build your own websites. We're going to use a piece of software called Local. I'm going to go to the website for Local right now, LocalWp.com. Local is a WordPress platform. It allows you to create, manage, and develop WordPress websites inside of your computer without having to worry about hosting or launching your website online. Click on the download button, choose your platform. I'm on Windows, fill out a little bit of information, and it will provide you the installer. Once you've installed it, it should look like this. So to create a new site in Local, click on the plus button down here in the bottom left. Let's name it Test Site. I'm going to use Preferred, which will give me the most recent version of PHP, MySQL, and web server. I'm going to set my default username and password for this website, and I'll set my email as well. It's my regular email. This is the username and password only for this website in your computer and not for anything else. But you'll need it, so remember that. When you click Next, it'll begin provisioning services, installing WordPress, and eventually it'll launch your site. It takes a little while, and there's a step in here where your screen will darken. There it is, and it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Everything should come back. Once we have the site up and running, I'll show you how to install a couple of things to add functionality to your WordPress website and get you prepared to follow along with the Trace video. The first thing we'll install is the OceanWP theme, which is compatible with Elementor and very functional, a very strong theme, and one of my favorites. The second thing is the Elementor Page Builder plugin. We'll install this plugin so that we can build pages and follow the Trace video. The last thing that we'll do is create a new page and open the Elementor editor. With all these steps, once we're done, you'll be in the right place to start the Trace videos. Okay, now that the site is up and running, I'm going to click on Admin to open a browser window, and that will show us our administrative area. Let's use the same username and password that we made when creating the site. I'll go ahead and click Remember Me, and let's log in. So the first thing we want to do now that we're in here is install our new theme. I'm going to click on Appearance. This will take me directly to Themes. I'm going to add a new theme. I'm going to search OceanWP. Oops. There we are. Let's install it and activate it. Okay. Next, let's install the Elementor Page Builder. We'll click on Plugins in the left sidebar, Add New in the top of the main content area, and let's search for Elementor. It's Elementor with an O. There we are. Here it is right here in the top center. I'm going to install and activate it. There are several other add-ons to extend the functionality of Elementor, but just for now, I'm going to start with the base version of free Elementor so that we can all be in the same spot. Activate. There we go. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and make a new page. I'm clicking on Pages in the left sidebar, and just like before, Add New in the main content area. I'll close this little block editor pop-up, which will explain the default editor, and I'll put Test Page as my title. From there, I'll immediately click Edit with Elementor. When we get in here, it'll show you a live preview of what the website is going to look like when you're done. The Elementor editor is constrained to this little area inside of this sidebar and below the header, so that we're working with just pure Elementor and not all these other elements. I'm going to come over here to Settings. I'm going to choose Page Layout, and I want to work in Elementor Canvas, but I find usually when I choose Elementor Canvas, it doesn't change, but if I choose full width first, and then I go back to Settings and I choose Elementor Canvas, that will give me the space that I'm looking for. Pure Elementor. From here, you're ready to start working on the Trace video. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.